The best AI marketing for video depends on your specific needs and goals. However, I can highlight some top contenders based on different functionalities. Pictory is best for AI video summaries and repurposing longer content into bite-sized clips. Synthesia creates realistic talking head videos from text, ideal for explainer videos or testimonials. InVideo offers a comprehensive suite of AI video editing tools, including automatic scene cuts, text-to-speech, and music creation. VidMob uses AI to personalize video ads based on audience demographics and viewing behavior. BrainLabs optimizes video campaigns across platforms using AI-powered bidding and reporting. Tubular Labs provides insights into audience engagement and sentiment analysis for video content. Prettiest AI suggests the best times to post for maximum reach and engagement on social media platforms. Waymark generates AI-powered video ads specifically tailored for social media campaigns. Lumen 5 creates short, shareable social media videos from blog posts or other existing content. Descript transcribes and edits video interviews automatically, saving time and resources. Wondershare. Filmora is traditional video editing software with some AI features like automatic color correction and green screen removal. When selecting an AI marketing tool for video, consider factors such as your budget, video goals, technical skill level, and integration with your existing workflow. Remember, AI is just one piece of the puzzle. Effective video marketing still requires strong creative storytelling, a clear understanding of your target audience, and a well-defined strategy. Research the options, compare features and pricing, and take advantage of free trials before making a decision. I hope this information helps you find the best AI marketing solution for your video needs.